Tulip petals all around, blooming pink and bright. A calm and cozy drawing time that feels just right tonight. Bunny's ears stand tall and soft, listening to the breeze. Warm and gentle bedtime song that helps all children ease. Every line you color in feels like a glowing star, a relaxing moment close and safe, no matter where you are. Little Bunny's smiling face, shining tender light. Kids adore this peaceful scene, warm and calm and bright. Markers glide so quietly, like waves upon the sea. A soft and soothing melody that whispers tenderly. Shadows dance around the page,